welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. My name is Sydney and I love to do all kinds of decorating videos here on my channel. And this Christmas season I have so many videos in store for you. So if you aren't already subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any videos from me. Now today's video is going to be a decorate with me of my hot cocoa bar. I made it pretty busy this year, but I love it. I'm going to be going with a more neutral, softer theme in my living room this year, so I wanted to make this very bright and loud. If you would like to see how I came up with my hot cocoa display, then please keep watching. Okay guys, I thought before we got started I would show you an overview of everything I'm using for my hot cocoa bar. I thought it would be easier to just tell you where everything is from now and then just play some relaxing Christmas music during my decorating. So over here I wanted to show you all the Rae Dunn that I'm going to be using. I got all of these mugs from last year. So I have this Let It Snow Joy. Over here I have a peace mug, and then I thought this would be cute, this little sweet canister. This red Mary cup is my favorite one. I have this one that says naughty on one side and nice on the other. This one's so cute. I'm planning on putting this little guy in here with the naughty side. Then I have this sugar canister, and then also over here I already had this in my pantry, so I just thought I'd pull it out. It's a cocoa canister, and I got this label off of Etsy in the Rae Dunn font. All of these signs here are from Hobby Lobby. It's a hot chocolate kind of day, cuddle in a cup, snuggle season, hot chocolate bar, as well as this Merry Christmas sign and these Rae Dunn inspired ones, Believe in Mary. And I just picked this one up from Target with the Hearth and Hand collection, and I was so excited. I was really wanting this sign, and this was the only one they had left. I got this at a Target when I was on vacation, but yeah, definitely go and get your Christmas stuff now because it's going so fast. This is from Hobby Lobby from last year, and I just have, wait no, it would have been a couple years ago, but it says marshmallows, peppermints, and cocoa in these little canisters, and this little cocoa sign that says, today, hot cocoa kind of day. I'm gonna have a lot of signs that say hot cocoa if you haven't noticed. I have this hot cocoa bar warm up here from Hobby Lobby, and then this tea towel is also from the Hearth and Hand, and it was only $3. I think it was $3.99, but it's the homemade hot cocoa recipe. Over here I just have some fillers. So this little tree here is from Dollar Tree. Hobby Lobby. This is also from Hobby Lobby. I'm really excited. I really wanted a Santa mug. These are so popular right now, so I got that. This baby, It's Cold Outside, is from Walmart last year. This sign is from Hobby Lobby, and as well as those stems. And this as well is from Hobby Lobby. So I believe that is everything I'm going to be using, so please keep watching if you'd like to see how I style everything. I was trying to get the same look with my Merry Christmas sign and garland here at the top to match this sign that I got from Hobby Lobby.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa, but I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all them bells. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Let me tell you about old Saint Nick and me, as tight as can be. It's been that way forever. Guess we're shapes that go together. Everyone can use a little.
Now for this sign here, I just used a little bit of tape and taped it right to the inside of my tray here.
Don't worry, my dear hubby, I'm making my way
far this year. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me put it all together and got some inspiration if you're looking to put in a hot cocoa bar at your house. Definitely stay tuned for more Christmas videos. I have one coming next Friday for you, so definitely hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.
Gonna be white, because we got that